I'm gonna finally clean my brushes. These are the only ones I use technically, and I just use regular soap. Yes, why are you crying? I think she just forgot that I was in the bathroom. And all this is gonna be very clean. I mean, I just washed this the other day, so it's actually not that dirty, but it's gonna be pristine. See, it's actually pretty dirty. You can't really tell. Hello. Don't mind my very old lady look, but so I hold the soap kind of like really small in my hand, and then I just rub the brushes inside, and believe it or not, these like cheap regular soaps immediately take off all the residue that's on the brushes. Like, you really do not need to invest in something specific, especially for these beauty blenders, because I think I purchased like a beauty blender specific cleanser, and it actually was not as effective as actually using a bar of soap. So I just ran through everything, and I'm gonna rinse everything, and then that's it. We'll dry it for tomorrow, and then No, I didn't catch the excitement. Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! He was gonna be so excited.
Okay,
Look
buddy.
at that, happy buddy.
Hold on, buddy.
Good boy, buddy. Good boy, buddy. I know.